Your home is more than just a space, it's a reflection of who you are. That's why we believe in creating tailored solutions that match your unique needs and lifestyle. Hi, I'm Jeremy with Phoenix Home Remodeling. Our design team thrives on flexibility and creativity, turning challenges into opportunities to innovate. Whether it's a custom layout, unique feature, or creative solution, we make sure every detail is just right. We're excited to bring your vision to life with every detail crafted to suit your style and needs. Your dream space is closer than ever. If you'd like to take the next step, schedule a consultation with our remodel expert. There's no obligation, no sales, just help. You can easily schedule your complimentary consultation right from our website, or you can text or call us at 602-492-8205.